Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Mackenzie Lake.
Good afternoon and happy Saturday. Let's take a look at our satellite and radar right now. Starting to see some impacts from snow from this winter storm system that's working its way in, mainly impacting our east side areas right now. This storm will continue to work its way through, but we're really not expecting as much as far as rain and snow, but we do have the possibility to see some snow here in the Rogue Valley. But let's take a look at what our current temperatures are looking like right now. 20s and 30s for our east side areas, a little warmer here in Medford, still at 43 degrees, but these temperatures are going to be starting to dip significantly tonight. Let's take a look at what we're expecting to see throughout our region. Lots of wet weather, more cloud cover expected, and again, that potential for some rain-snow mixture to work its way down here in Medford. Those snow levels will be down to around 1,000 feet, possibly dipping down even to around 500 feet as we continue on into Sunday morning. This cold front is working its way through right now. We're going to start to see some very breezy winds over these next few hours, overnight and into the early morning hours of Sunday as well. Temperatures into the teens for our east side areas, down to 26 here in Medford. For the day tomorrow, those winds again will be kicking up. We'll be seeing some breezy conditions here in the Rogue Valley, windy conditions in our higher elevation areas. But as far as rain and snow, those impacts will be dissipating by the early morning hours. So we still have the potential for seeing some rain and snow. But again, we'll mostly be focused on temperatures and winds for the day. As far as temperatures up into the 20s for our east side areas, 43 degrees here in Medford. The day tomorrow is going to be much colder than these last couple of days we've seen because we have this big pool of Arctic air that is right behind this cold front that's going to settle in, and it's going to cool things off significantly. We have lots of warnings and watches and advisories in effect for our region because of the storm system. So we have a freeze watch in effect for coastal Curry County. This goes into effect 4 a.m. on Sunday until 9 a.m. on Monday. Sunday night into Monday morning is when we're expecting to see the coldest temperatures, lows getting anywhere down to 25 degrees. So bring those pets inside, protect those plants. Then you're also going to want to protect your pipes as well because we have a freeze warning in effect for south central Oregon coast. And again, this is in effect from 4 a.m. until 9 a.m. on Sunday. We also have a very rare advisory in effect. This is a wind chill advisory for the Cascades and the Siskiyous and for our east side areas as well. This goes into effect at 5 p.m. tomorrow all the way until 9 a.m. on Monday. Wind chills could be getting anywhere as low as negative 25 degrees. So frostbite could happen within 30 minutes of exposed skin. You're going to want to be very, very careful as you head out the door, especially Sunday night into Monday morning. This is our wind chill forecast that we're taking a look at. Even the coast going to get very, very cold. 20 degrees was what we're going to be feeling like with those winds. And then again, the Cascades and the Siskiyous getting down into the negative 20s. As far as winds, again, we'll see those picking up as the storm system moves through. These winds are going to cover our whole entire region, making things much colder again than we've seen these last few days. This is going to be some of the coldest temperatures we've seen this whole entire season. As far as stormcasts, we're going to take a look at what these storms are looking like for these next few hours. But again, we're really more focused on the cold temperatures that are coming after this and maybe even seeing some snow here in the Rogue Valley. As we continue on into Monday, temperatures, again, will be cooling off, but we'll be staying nice and dry. Let's take a look at your 7-day forecast for the coast. Let's take a look here. You can see temperatures for this work week going to be into the 50s. Groundhog's Day is actually another storm system coming in. We're going to be seeing some more showers working in. Northern California, temperatures into the 40s and 50s. Again, tomorrow is going to be nice and chilly to start the morning and to end the day as well. The Klamath Basin, take a look at those overnight lows. Very, very dangerous conditions. You're going to want to take advantage of warming shelters. Make sure you have lots of blankets and bundling up. For the mountains, temperature is going to be up into the 30s and 40s for this work week. Wet weather expected. And then here in the Rogue Valley, 40s and 50s. Again, keep an eye on those temperatures Sunday night into Monday.